Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we bring you the latest on the world of electric cars and sustainable transportation. Today, we're talking about a surprising development in the automotive industry: Ford's plans for manual transmissions in electric vehicles. Imagine being able to shift gears in your electric car like you would with a gas-powered vehicle. It may sound old school, but it looks like that's exactly what Ford has in mind. According to a newly revealed patent, the company is working on a way to integrate gear shifts into its electric vehicles. Yes, you heard that right, manual transmissions are not just for gas guzzlers anymore. Now we know what you're thinking. When can we expect to see this feature in our favorite electric cars? Well, it's unlikely that next year's Ford F-150 Lightnings or Mach-E Mustangs will have a manual transmission. However, it's possible that future models could include manual transmission control as an option. Ford is currently preparing for its virtual shareholder meeting, where it plans to cover three major topics: Ford Blue, the company's gas-powered and hybrid lineup; Model E, its electric car lineup; and Ford Pro, its commercial and fleet vehicle segment. These topics are likely to be a big focus for investors and fans of the brand. On Wall Street, analysts have given Ford's stock a hold consensus rating based on 4 buys, 10 holds, and 2 sells over the past 3 months. Despite a 21.5% loss in its share price over the past year, the average price target of $10.46 per share implies 8% upside potential. So, what does this mean for the future of electric cars? Is Ford's decision to explore manual transmissions in EVs a bold move or a misguided attempt to cling to the past? We'll be keeping an eye on this development and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. Stay charged, stay informed.